Hi, friends! Welcome to Toon Hugs, the happiest place for fun, learning, and lots of laughter. Let's jump into today's adventure. It was a hot, blazing summer afternoon. The golden sun burned fiercely in the cloudless sky. The wind was still, not even a leaf moved. The trees, once full of life, now stood silent and tired, their leaves drooping under the heat. The ground cracked in places, and not a drop of water was to be seen. Even the birds were quiet, hiding in the shade. But high up in the sky, flapping his tired wings, was a black crow named Kalu. "Caw, caw," he croaked weakly. "Oh dear, my throat is so dry. I must find water soon, or I won't make it." Kalu had been flying since morning. He looked down, over trees, fields, and dusty paths. But there was no pond, no stream, no puddle. Just dry earth and endless sunlight. Tired and dizzy, he landed on a branch for a moment. He could feel his wings trembling. "Maybe I should rest," he said to himself. "But if I rest too long, I might not wake up again." So he took a deep breath, flapped his wings again, and kept flying, slowly, hopefully. Then suddenly, something shiny caught his eye. Far below, near a small tree, something was glimmering in the sunlight. "What's that?" he said, his heart leaping with hope. He swooped down quickly, and there it was, a small clay pot sitting under the tree. "Maybe there is water inside." He hopped closer and peered in. Yes, there is some water. But then his smile faded. The water was at the very bottom of the pot. Kalu tried to dip his beak, but it couldn't reach. He tilted the pot. It didn't move, too heavy. He even tried to push it with his wings, but it stayed firm. "Oh no," he sighed sadly. So close, yet so far. For a moment, Kalu felt like giving up. He sat beside the pot, panting under the hot sun. But then, as he rested, he noticed something. Small, round pebbles scattered nearby. And suddenly, an idea sparkled in his clever eyes. If I can't reach the water, maybe I can make the water reach me?" Without wasting a second, Kalu picked up a pebble in his beak. He dropped it into the pot, plop. Then another, plop. And another. Slowly, the water began to rise. Kalu could see the surface moving up, just a little. That gave him courage. He worked harder. 1 pebble, 2 pebbles, 3 pebbles. Soon there were dozens of pebbles inside. The water rose higher and higher until it finally reached the brim. "Caw, caw," cried Kalu joyfully. His eyes sparkled with relief. He bent down and drank the cool, sweet water. Sip, sip, sip. "Ah!" he sighed with happiness. It felt like the best drink he'd ever had. He drank until his thirst was gone, then splashed his wings lightly in the leftover water. The breeze felt cooler now, and the world suddenly looked beautiful again. Before flying away, Kalu looked at the clay pot once more. He smiled proudly and said, "Brains are always better than strength." Then he spread his wings and took off into the bright blue sky. As he flew, his voice rang out cheerfully. "Caw, caw, never give up. Find your way. Think with your mind and you'll win the day." Moral of the story? Where there is a will, there is a way. Even when life gets hard, don't give up. Think smart, stay patient, and believe in yourself, because every problem has a solution waiting to be found. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toon Hugs for more fun and moral stories for kids.